Hi guys, today we will show you how to save one of your TikToks to the camera roll, to the gallery app. So at the first step, let's choose the TikTok application. Later, let's scroll down and choose one of your TikToks you want to save. For example, this one. Let's click on the three dots icon and choose the Save Video option, which is at the bottom of the screen. Click on it one time and please wait a minute during the saving process. Amazing! Let's check the result and go to our gallery app, to the photos. Yes, to the recents. Amazing! As you can see, we have our video. Of course, we will have the watermark here. So, yes, well done. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our channel. Good luck to everyone. Bye bye.